Hello students, so we are here to discuss KVPY essay paper of 2020 physics section, and right now we are discussing question number 9 of the physics part. Alright, so this question talks about the stability of a shampoo bottle, and we have to discuss the situation when the bottle was completely filled and we were draining out liquid from the bottle so that the level of the liquid kept on falling. Okay, so what we have to discuss, I'll tell you exactly. So let's say this is the bottle and it is filled with some amount of shampoo. We start tilting this bottle and we keep on tilting until it gets to a stage where it is about to topple. And when that happens, we record the angle and we are saying that that angle is theta. So theta is the angle at which the bottle is just about to topple. And we are trying to plot a graph of theta versus the fraction f, where f indicates the amount of liquid or the amount of shampoo present in the bottle. F equal to 1 corresponds to a completely filled bottle. So F equals to 0 will correspond to a completely empty bottle. Now, what is important to understand here is this. Let's say, okay, I need some space, so I'll go to a blank slide. Yeah. So let's say we have a cylinder like this. Okay, we have a cylindrical object like this, and the center of mass of this cylinder is somewhere here. Okay, now if I ask you that when will this cylinder topple, you will probably say that when we reach a stage such that the center of mass of the cylinder is vertically above this point about which the cylinder is being rotated. Okay, when the center of mass reaches vertically above this point, that is the stage when the cylinder will begin to topple by itself. Like if we just tilt it a little bit further, it will topple. Okay, now understand this, that right now, if this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta. So what I'm trying to suggest here is this, that while keeping this bottle upright, wherever is the center of mass, you just join that center of mass to this edge, and this angle represents the angle that we want to find out. Okay. Now this means that if due to whatever reason, if the center of mass is going down, then what effect will it have on theta? Well, I hope you can see for yourself that theta will increase. So what I'm trying to suggest is that if center of mass goes down, then theta increases. Okay. Now imagine a situation when the bottle was completely filled. In this situation, the midpoint of the cylinder will act as the center of mass, right? Now, if we start decreasing the liquid in this bottle, if we start decreasing shampoo, that means we are changing F from 1 to a lower value. Okay, we are changing F from 1 and we are moving towards 0. So the amount of liquid is decreasing. That will result in lowering of the center of mass, and hence that will result in an increase in the value of theta. Okay, but this will happen to a certain point, because ultimately when F becomes equal to 0, for a completely empty bottle, the center of mass will again be at the geometric center. So what I am trying to say here is that whatever is theta for F corresponding to 1, we are going to get near about same theta for F corresponding to 0. And in the middle, theta will increase because the center of mass would have fallen, the center of mass would have decreased in height. So therefore we are looking for a graph where we start from f equal to 1, and whatever value we get, the similar value should be there for f corresponding to 0, and in between these 2 points the graph should be above this dotted line. So let's see whether we have such an option with us or not. So out of the given options, this one is a monotonous graph, hence incorrect. This one is also monotonous, hence incorrect. In this, the mid values are lower as compared to f equal to 1 and f equal to 0. So this is incorrect, and hence only this one should be the correct one. So option D will be the correct answer. Now, understand students that this question was meant to be answered qualitatively. The options were given such that you can easily and logically eliminate three options, and hence you can select the fourth one, because the shape of the curve isn't a regular shape, something like You can figure it out in terms of the some curve. So this question was to be answered qualitatively. Of course, calculations can be done, and I've depicted some calculation here, but the best way to address the question was through a qualitative analysis. I hope you like the solution, guys. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next question.